Alright guys, as you can see, when we're finding our least common multiple set of each of the numbers, alright, we're going to look at our two numbers we get. So let's look at number 5 here. So number 5. So with number 5, we know our multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. And you guys are going to have to bear with me on using this mouse. I'm getting used to it now. So now, those are our multiples of 5. Like I told you guys, I usually like to either go 5 or 6. It's just depending on what's going on. You can go a little bit further than that if you have to. Just got to keep in mind that other number that we're trying to find the least common multiple of. Alright, so next we're going to do our multiples of 6. So then we have 6. We have 12, we have 18, because 6 times 3 is 18. We have 24, alright, and then we have 30. Now, a word of caution here. So now we get our first common multiple, and like I told you guys, you want to go in here and I like you guys to underline our commons, okay? Obviously, we have no common multiples before 30, which ominous dominus 3 bags full. That means 30 is our least common multiple for 5 and 6. So when you're writing your answer, you're going to write your answer very simply as just 30. Okay? Now, be very careful, because I know a lot of you are going to be thinking, well, I just take 5 times 6 and that'll be my answer. But don't get caught in that trap, guys. I'm telling you right now, just because it does it here doesn't mean they will do it for all of them. You'll see it on some of the other work that we do, and we talked about it in class as well. So when you're going through here, I want you, when you're going through 5, 6, 7, and 8 here, I want you to look at those and think about what you're seeing. Okay guys, I'm not really going to go into the whole process of how we're going to do number 11 and 12, because I want you guys to work on them on your own and kind of look at them and use your own thoughts and some of the stuff we talked about today. Now, we're going to talk about this all year, and I want you to watch these. Everybody has questions with these worded problems. Let me get my pen over here. So let's look at, I'm going to read through number 12, and we'll just talk about it a little bit. An airport offers 2 shuttles that run on different schedules. So shuttles, we're talking about getting back and forth to the airport. If both shuttles leave the airport at 4 p.m., at what time will they next leave the airport together? Okay, so 4 p.m. just gives us our starting point. Now we look over here and they tell us that shuttle A is every 6 minutes, while shuttle B is every 9 minutes. And they're asking at what time will they leave the airport together at the same time. Now, this is a simple least common multiple. This is real world use of a least common multiple question, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to start at 4, but what we're going to do is we're going to do our least common multiples of 6 and 9. So go find your least common multiples of 6 to 9. And remember, once you get them, you're going to add that time to the original of 4 p.m. Okay, so work on these. I really look forward to seeing your answers, and you guys really look at these and work at what you're doing. I don't want to tell you too much about these because I want to see how we process them, and then we'll talk about them tomorrow after you get them done.